Hi friends! Welcome to another fun-filled adventure. Do you like gooey things? I bet you do. I do. Today we're making slime. It's going to be so much fun. It's squishy, it's stretchy, it's fun to poke. You can stretch it, squish it, and even make funny shapes with it. Are you ready? Let's get sliming! Gather all your materials and let's dive into this gooey adventure. Making slime is easy peasy. You just need a few simple ingredients that you probably already have at home. We just need a few things and then we can get our hands messy. It's all about having fun and being creative. Don't worry, it's all part of the fun. Getting a little messy is what makes it exciting. Are you excited? I know I am. I can't wait to see the amazing slime creations you'll make. Let's meet our new friends who will help us make the gooeyest slime ever. They're experts in slime making and can't wait to share their tips with you. First up, we have Sammy the Slime.
Hey there, everyone! I'm Sammy the Slime. I'm always ready to have some fun and make new friends. I love to mix and stir. Whether it's colors, glitters, or even some secret ingredients, I'm always experimenting. I've always got a smile on my face, even when I'm covered in glitter. Glitter makes everything more exciting, don't you think?
Next, we have Glenda the Glitter Fairy. She's the sparkle in our crew.
Hi, I'm Glenda the Glitter Fairy. I bring magic and sparkle wherever I go. I love to make everything sparkly and magical. From the tiniest trinket to the biggest project, a touch of glitter makes it special. Glitter makes everything better, don't you think? It's like adding a bit of magic to the ordinary.
Last but not least, we have Professor Bubbles, the brainiac of the group.
Hello, I'm Professor Bubbles. I'm always curious and love to learn new things about slime. I know everything about slime. From its texture to its ingredients, I'm your go-to expert. I'm here to make sure our slime is extra gooey and fun. With the right mix, we can create the best slime ever.
Now let's gather our slime ingredients. Can you help me find them? We need glue. It makes our slime sticky and gooey. Shaving cream. It makes our slime fluffy and soft. Contact solution. It's our magic ingredient. Baking soda. It helps our slime come together. Food coloring. Let's make our slime colorful. Glitter. Because everything is better with glitter. Do you have everything? Great. Let's get started. Section 4. Let's get gooey. First, pour the glue into a big bowl. Make sure you get every last drop out of the bottle. This is the base of our slime, so we want to start with a good amount.
Whoops! I got a little carried away, huh? Sometimes making a mess is part of the fun. Just be sure to clean up afterward.
Next, add the shaving cream. Squish it in with your hands. Doesn't that feel funny? It's like playing in a cloud. The shaving cream makes the slime fluffy and light, giving it a unique texture. Now, add a sprinkle of baking soda and a few drops of food coloring. The baking soda helps to firm up the slime, while the food coloring adds a splash of fun. Choose your favorite color or mix a few to create a custom shade.
More glitter, more sparkle, it's slime time magic. The glitter makes it look like a galaxy or a treasure chest full of jewels. The more, the merrier.
Now, here comes the tricky part. Slowly add the contact solution, a little bit at a time, and mix, mix, mix. The contact solution is what turns the mixture into slime. Be patient and add it gradually.
Remember, patience is key. We need the perfect consistency. If it's too sticky, add a bit more contact solution. If it's too stiff, try adding a bit more glue.
Keep mixing until your slime starts to pull away from the sides of the bowl. This means it's almost ready. Then, take it out and knead it with your hands. Wow, look at that slime stretch. You did it. Kneading helps to make the slime smooth and stretchy. Enjoy your gooey creation. Section 5. Slime time is fun time. Congratulations! You made your very own slime. Now you can poke it, stretch it, and even blow slime bubbles. Just remember to wash your hands after playing with your slime and keep it away from your mouth. Now go have some slime-tastic fun!